Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the connection problem with your Amazon speaker. Okay, so as you can see in my case, the speaker appears on available devices list, here it is, and that was also the information that I'm unable to pair it. As you can see right now it disappeared. So what do we have to do? At the first we have to turn off Bluetooth on our device. Next, just be sure that your device is also turned off. I'm talking about the speaker. And right now we are going to use these two buttons, power button and the play and call button. We have to click and hold these two buttons until this indicator starts blinking quickly, and you will also hear the voice notification that we are in the pairing mode. So let's make it right now.
Power on.
As you can see right now, when this indicator is blinking quickly, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So we have to enable the Bluetooth on our device and wait until it pops on available devices list. There it is, so tap on it once, accept the pairing request,
Connected.
and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.